In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro wireframes effectively. Whether you're a designer, product manager, or someone new to creating wireframes, this guide will help you get started with Miro's powerful tools to bring your ideas to life. Let's begin by customizing your Miro workspace to make accessing wireframing tools a breeze. You'll want to add the wireframe library to your toolbar for convenience. Locate the three-dot menu at the bottom of the toolbar on your screen. Click on it to reveal more options, and select More Apps from the list. Now, find the wireframe library and simply drag it into your toolbar. This addition ensures that all the wireframing components are just a click away whenever you need them. By setting this up, you can streamline your workflow and focus more on creating rather than searching for the right tools. Once you've got the wireframe library ready to go, it's time to insert a device screen into your project. To start, click the wireframe library icon in your toolbar. This action will pull up the UI Components panel. Here, you can choose a device screen that best fits your project, such as a desktop, phone, or tablet. After selecting your desired device screen, click anywhere on your Miro board to place it. It's important to remember that these device frames operate in a grouped manner, similar to frames used in other design tools. This means any element you add inside your selected device screen will move along with it, maintaining your layout's consistency and organization. Now that your base is set, let's add some UI components and icons to truly bring your wireframe to life. Begin by dragging UI elements like buttons, checkboxes, or menus right into your device frame. This step is where your creativity and design preferences can shine through. You can further customize each component by double-clicking on them to edit text, toggle states, resize, or even swap out icons. For those looking to add more complexity or unique visuals, Miro offers an Icons tab. Here, you have access to libraries such as Icon Finder, allowing you to incorporate icons that fit your project's needs. These icons can be resized or recolored, especially if they're in SVG format, granting even more flexibility in your design work. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to using Miro wireframes. You've learned how to customize your workspace, insert a device screen, and add various UI components. By following these steps, you can create organized and visually appealing wireframes that effectively communicate your ideas. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time to explore and experiment with various components to become proficient with these tools. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Miro.